take it all. We
That's
just don't have the
heavy.
time. Come with us as we yard sale on our road trip in Myrtle Beach. All right, you want to go to Mama? All right, go to Mama. You want to go look? Yeah.
Where'd you come from? Okay.
Yeah, this is what happens when we go too. We have got yard sales. We had another couple that we used to travel with a lot. That's what they would do. They would, no matter where we went.
Is that a leather jacket, Daddy?
No. What about this jacket?
Yeah, this jacket.
Stop.
Do you want to help someone?
Honey, what about that? Should have brought the bag. Here, I got her. You can check out the clothes. If they're all $1, they're $5.11 pants.
Okay.
You know?
What was the other?
It's hanging on that rack. What is it? All right, we can't slide on that. It's got paper on it. Hold on, what's over here? What's down here?
Bye.
Come on. Look, Mama's looking at dresses.
You know what?
This a fish? What?
Jamie talked about getting one for her house. A high chair like that.
Oh, for Cora?
Just
I like.
instead of having the high chair, having one that goes in the.
That sits in the chair?
Can you get out? Do you need to get out? Are you sure?
Yeah,
Are
how's
we
it
on
going?
video?
Oh, yeah. I have a YouTube channel, so it's fine. We're from out of town too.
That's what happens to us. We go out of town and hit yards.
It's fun.
It's fun to see what other people have in different areas.
It is, and it's like, well, if you're down and it's a Saturday, you know.
Right.
None of them her size.
They might be, but I don't need to do it. Is there?
All right, you good?
Good.
Yeah.
Do I have any small balls?
Yes.
Okay.
You have all of them. The shoes. That's right. Oh, did you want to get this one for two?
Do you
$2?
want to? Do you have room to bring it back?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take that too. Okay, it's got two.
All right, babe.
So 6.
Just need some black. Okay.
Throw it all on the chair.
Just hold it real quick. Take stuff in the bag for you. There you go. No problem. And there's 6. Thank you so much.
Hey, thank you.
Have a great day, guys. You too. It's different signs, but
See some shoes.
it's shoes.
See anything, do you? Okay.
They're kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
They look small though.
Size 7.
These are a 7.
Ask how much the shoes are.
How much are shoes? $1.
For $1. Those are 4.5. Those are Vans. Those are cool.
I guess.
I just missed out on that vintage planer there, but oh well. Boom, boom, boom.
How are you?
Well, how's it going? Huh? Oh yeah.
White?
She just bought an old planer.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Huh? Oh yeah. Why? Why? Come on. These are cool.
Aren't they cool?
Like little marionettes.
Yes, Disney.
How much are you asking on this?
They're $30 a piece.
30 a piece. They're really cool.
I've never seen any of them like that before, with the strings attached.
I haven't
original.
either.
Baked light and everything.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I think it's Bakelite. I'm not sure, but I think it is.
Knew I'd run into you sooner or later.
Hey!
What's up, man?
How you been?
How's it going?
Good, good,
Yeah, we got in last night.
good.
Yeah,
Long drive?
5.5 hours. We stopped in Fayetteville.
Oh, very cool,
Yeah,
very
'cause
cool.
we're from like south of Richmond.
Yeah.
See,
5 grand?
treasure chest for you.
Look at this.
Go ahead.
What's in it?
All right, you're not gonna have to take it all. We
That's
just don't have the
heavy.
time. Oh yeah,
There's
there's
in the bottom of
there's
it.
like 3 racks of that.
You got the money.
No. This is for you guys.
It's just a gift for you guys.
It's a gift for you guys.
We're just not
We
gonna
love what y'all do.
anything with it.
Yeah, and then the whole bottom is. Yeah, we were just like, if y'all wanna have fun with it. No, I was like, if y'all wanna have fun with it.
Awesome, thank
I was like,
Appreciate it.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, he was like, I'm gonna take this down and like go for it. It's
Like-
literally just been sitting there.
We were
doing
like, we're not gonna
nothing.
do anything with it. They can have fun with it.
She'll go through it. She's been making all types of stuff. She sells these little purse charms and these little pot charm things. They've been selling out on our
I have
website.
like a whole bunch of just random stuff. And
Yeah.
I'm like, what am I gonna do with all this?
Yeah.
So I just take pieces and I'll just put it together.
She
Well,
almost
I'm
looks,
gonna check out
she
where
almost
your booth
looks
is. I just saw
insane.
about
That's
that
it. Yeah, we do. We need to go sign your book.
Yeah, our book.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, go check it out.
Excellent. Well, we appreciate
Yeah,
it.
no
Seriously.
problem,
It's really
man.
nice meeting you.
Always. They're newer.
Yeah, just street money racing.
It's Addison. That's all I'm walking away and I'm like, oh well. Then they turn around. They're really nice.
Oh yeah.
Baseball this week. How many games you play?
Celebrate.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop back in the van.
Fetching, man. There you
Thank
go.
you.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, this kid's got some bling.
Oh, he's always blinged out.
He's gonna get jumped.
He's
Oh,
a catcher, you know.
He's gonna get jumped because all that.
Strong man. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't mess with catchers.
You don't roll with them. All right, let's see what we find.
Let's go see. Yeah, some WWE right in the door.
Look at that.
That's cool.
That was pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Belt. Yeah, the whole deal.
Mm-hmm. See, I like them like this. I say I ain't gonna be in here long, and I'm like, look at all the
The
toys.
whole store.
Look at all the toys.
Damn, I see.
Hot Wheels cars, more Star Wars.
Oh, no, napkin.
That.
Oh, that's neat.
The old Burger King
Look,
cups.
the who?
Do you need a glass to complete your collection?
This is where to come.
That has that one.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
Dad, donkey. Dad, donkey.
I
Dad,
know. Just gotta swing down here a couple of times. I think we found it. The bearded thrift machine.
And that.
It's crazy.
You can put your little pen.
Our pen for nobody's been there from our area.
I
Virginia.
told you. See,
Okay.
making our name on the map.
That.
Hi.
Well, I just watched this video where they picked this up. At a
Mommy, hi. Hi.
Cool.
We're here at our Airbnb. This is our second kind of stop on our nice little trip.
Yes.
How good did it feel to get out to some yard sales again?
It was nice just to get out, look around.
It's like shaking the
nice.
rust off a
Yeah.
little bit. We went further south,
The weather was a little better.
Yeah.
So it was nice. We didn't get a whole lot, but
No, not a big haul day.
everything we got was $1.
Yeah,
like
$1
$1 a piece. So I think we're gonna make some good money.
All right, Wii Sports. Always such a great pickup. Had everything with it. This is always a solid, like what, $18 plus shipping?
Oh yeah.
Something like that. This shirt here, Randy Orton, I don't know, apparently he's some wrestler who's back in it or something. I don't know.
Back in it.
But probably like a $15 t-shirt right here. It's a really good size, 2XL. Picked up a pair of little platform Crocs here, little snakeskin. Again, nothing crazy on these, but only paid $1 and we'll probably be able to get 20 bucks. These 3 pair of pants here, again, $1 a piece. They're 5'11" tactical pants. They're all the same size, so we're probably gonna maybe do a lot of those and can probably get like 30 bucks for the 3 pair. And this little like denim jacket, Sierra Pacific, I'd never heard of the brand.
Yeah.
It just had a really cool look to it. I don't know anything about it, haven't looked it up, but it's probably at least like a $25,
yeah.
maybe $30 piece.
It was a good size, and then we did. We just looked on the rack, and she was like, "Oh, everything's
Everything's
$1."
$1. And I was like, for $1?
We'll take a chance on that for
a
$1.
denim jacket, it should do fine.
While our kids are somewhat having fun, they're all playing in the back, but how good was it to run into Julian and Kayla, the Bearded Thrift Machine?
That was really cool. Just out, we just happened to run into them at a yard sale. It was really fun. We were hoping we'd get to see them. Give them the little gift that we had just been holding on to. Thought specifically of Kayla with all of that jewelry. So we just wanted to give that to them. I know they're gonna do really well on Whatnot with that. And if you're ever in the South Carolina Myrtle Beach area, you'll have to stop by the Bounty Hunters Emporium.
Yeah.
They've got their little booth there, vendors mall. We signed a little book. They got a guest book there. But all of the vendors there have got really great stuff. It was a really cool place to check out.
So, yep, good little yard sale stops. Nothing crazy. If you check out Bearded Thrift Machine on YouTube, I'm sure you've heard of them. If you haven't, I'll put a link down below. They are such a great couple. They do really good content. They love doing thrift stores, yard sales, but also storage units, and we love doing all those things too. But he told me he found some good stuff, so I'm waiting for that video. I want to see what he found. He was just on the other end of town, but the journey's not over. Like I said, we are now in Georgia at our next Airbnb, and we have already mapped out some incredible yard sales, so you want to stay tuned. If you love seeing the yard sale footage, and we're traveling kind of all through the South to see what we can find to flip for a profit. We thank you so much. We love you guys. Stay tuned to the channel. Next video will be out very soon. We can't wait to see what else we can find out there at yard sales.